Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to add a Halloween effect to your Instagram messages with just a few simple steps. Make sure to stick around until the end. And if you enjoy the tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips. To get started, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Ensure you have the latest version installed. If not, head to the App Store or Google Play Store to update it. Next, tap the message icon in the top right corner to access your direct messages. Here, you'll find all your chats. Select the conversation where you want to add the Halloween effect. To trigger the effect, you need to include some specific words in your message. Here are the words to use: Halloween, pumpkin, witch, horror movies, costume, ghost, and skeleton. Once you type and send one of these words along with your message, you and your friends will see the Halloween effect in the chat. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.